In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a second brain in Notion in just 5 minutes. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and do that so you can follow along. First things first, log into your Notion account. It's the gateway to creating a productivity powerhouse. So if you need to hit pause while you log in, go right ahead. Once you're in, let's create a new page. This will be the foundation where everything is going to be stored and organized. You can do this by clicking on the little plus icon usually found alongside your workspace sidebar. Now name this new page Second Brain Dashboard. Naming it this way gives it a clear purpose and identity, signaling its function as your central hub for all thoughts and projects. With a name like this, it also instantly reminds you of its key function every time you open it. Next, within your Second Brain Dashboard, it's time to establish the core areas that matter to you. You can do this by creating links or subpages for each one. Consider what categories are essential to keep track of, like work projects, personal growth, or hobbies. These subpages can be quickly accessed from your dashboard, making navigation effortless. Once you have your core areas sketched out, create a page or database exclusively for capturing quick ideas. You know, those fleeting thoughts and inspirations that strike when you least expect them. Notion's flexible database features make it easy to jot down ideas on the go. You can sort and filter these ideas later as you refine and organize your second brain. Now let's elevate your organization game even further by sorting everything into categories, or using the para method, which stands for projects, areas, resources, and archives. This method helps ensure nothing important slips through the cracks by structuring your digital space in a functional way that adjusts seamlessly to your needs. To top it all off, add a calendar view. Tracking your tasks and upcoming projects visually through a calendar can drastically boost your productivity. It provides a snapshot of your week or month, helping you prioritize and plan ahead effectively. And there you have it. You've set up your second brain in Notion. By blending structure, organization, and flexibility, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to manage your thoughts, ideas, and projects seamlessly. So go ahead and start populating your dashboard with all those creative ideas and tasks. Remember, building your second brain isn't a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Keep refining it, making adjustments that better suit your workflow, and soon you'll notice your productivity and clarity of thought reaching new heights. Until next time, happy organizing.